Stay tuned until the end of the video to see how you can win this berry stand building block set. Well, hello there, everyone. Today is March 2nd. Can you believe it is March already? Normally we come to Knott's and do our weekly update on the weekends, but we were busy. So we are here today on this absolutely beautiful weekday, not too crowded, weather is perfect. We were actually here during the week last week for the media preview of the Boysenberry Festival, where we got a sneak peek at all of the food and beverage items coming to this year's festival and even got to try some of those. So make sure you check out that video. We'll put a link to that at the end of this one. So you got to let us know what you're most excited to try. The Boysenberry Festival runs daily starting next Friday, March 13th. That's right, Friday the 13th, daily through April 12th. So let's go see what's new here at Knott's Berry Farm. There are some mysterious boxes popping up in Camp Snoopy, so we'll show you those and see what else is going on here construction-wise and updates at Knott's on this beautiful, almost spring day. Here in Camp Snoopy, we reported a few weeks ago these boxes appeared on the side of the camp store, and I think they have something to do with boxes throughout Camp Snoopy. Any idea what they could be? Comment below. I have no idea. Let's go see where the rest of the boxes are. Balloon race in Camp Snoopy is currently scheduled to be closed for annual maintenance through March 6th. Here's another one of those boxes. Curious as to what it'll be. We cannot get up to Montezooma today to check progress, so we'll look at the other side. My guess would be not much has changed since we looked last time, and Linus Launcher actually goes down for its annual maintenance March 9th. This is number 3, and I see 3 other big ones over there, so there's one behind me. Charlie Brown's Kite Flyer was scheduled to be closed for maintenance through the 6th, but it is open today. And I'll show you where the rest of these little boxes are. There's a bunch over here. So here are 3 more big size ones. Here's another small one. Maybe it's an interactive type experience. I'm thinking maybe like the wands in Wizarding World. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe a bubble wand experience. I guess we'll find out. Here is another. And there's another one, and you can see it has an electrical hook to it. So your guess is as good as mine. Here is a look at Montezooma Forbidden Fortress from this side. No visible changes since last time. Knott's has teased that it will definitely open this year after a several-year delay. Comment below, when do you think it will open? I do hear people working back there, so that is a good sign. La Revolucion closed for annual maintenance through March 6th, and they are currently working on it now. And then up next is Los Voladores, and we'll walk over there and tell you the dates. Los Voladores, or the Wave Swinger, will be closed March 9th through the 20th for its annual maintenance. Annual maintenance through March 6th also, although I do not see anyone working on anything over here like some of the other attractions. But this is currently down. If this is your favorite ride, it is closed. Can I just say how beautiful the landscaping looks? It is almost spring. Boysenberry Festival starts in a couple days, and they are getting ready. Some of the Boysenberry decor is coming out. Boysenberry Fest starts March 13th, and we'll tell you all about it. The stage is starting to be set for Knott's Preserved, the main stage show during the Boysenberry Festival. You have to see this. It is absolutely fantastic. As is all the entertainment Knott's, also the great bank robbery in the birdcage. And we heard the birdcage is getting a little bit of an upgrade, so it may look a little different when we go in there. We'll see. The Knott's Boysenberry Festival starts Friday, March 13th. It is next Friday. It runs daily through April 12th. Over 75 different Boysenberry themed food and drink items. You can purchase a tasting card and sample your way through the park. There are items on the dining plan, a la carte items, adult beverages, all sorts of desserts, special funnel cakes. You have to come out. It is one of my favorite times of year here at Knott's Berry Farm. In addition to all the food and drink, there is live entertainment. Knott's Preserved, which we just told you about here on the Calico Mine stage. The Great Bank Robbery inside the Birdcage Theater. There is live music throughout the park. history of the Boysenberry, tied up in knots, the art show. So much to see and do. You're going to need multiple visits. And if you purchase a tasting card, someone asked in one of the Facebook groups last night, you don't have to use it all on one visit. You can use it throughout the festival. So if you come 3 times and try 2 different items each time, you could do that. I always suggest purchasing an all-day dining plan and a tasting card because there are so many items to try. Some only available on the tasting card, some only available a la carte or on the dining plan, so it's a great way. So we're going to do a little bit of updates here in the park and see what else is going on today. This very quiet Monday, calm before the storm, because once Boysenberry Festival hits, this place will be really, really busy. Let's go. Timber Mountain log ride scheduled to be closed through March 13th, and I see them actively working over there because I see there's like a hose or an extension cord being pulled across the drop. So hopefully this reopens. All these are scheduled dates. Could be a little bit sooner, it could be a little bit longer, but currently through March 13th. And the wisteria is blooming. You know it is spring. Look at that. So pretty. And GhostRider still down for maintenance through March 6th. And I heard them hammering this morning walking in, so hopefully it'll be open by Friday. Oh, rumor has it the bird cage is getting a little bit of an upgrade inside. I noticed 2 sets of the doors out of the 3 have been refurbished, and there are some wires hanging down from the ceiling there. So I think when we get in here for Boysenberry Fest, we'll see some changes, hopefully. One of my favorite places to see a show. This is Knott's classic history right here. That is it for our update here at Knott's Berry Farm. The Boysenberry Festival starts next Friday, March 13th. We cannot wait to see everyone. If you see us in the park opening day, make sure you stop by and say hello. Let us know what you tried. We'd love to know what your favorite item was. Now, for your chance to win that building block set, stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know of upcoming videos, and make sure you follow us on social media. Real quick, forgot to mention the preferred parking has gone up to $60 per day, and regular general parking is now $40 per day. So still the same upgrade if you want to have an annual pass that isn't a prestige to park in the preferred lots, $20 additional. Or if you have that prestige pass, you can park here at no charge. But parking rates have gone up at Knott's. $40 general parking, preferred parking $60. I'm in a rental car today because we're actually heading out to Calico to stay in one of their bunk houses on property. So make sure you watch for that video. We'll announce it when it's ready. For your chance to win this berry stand building block set, make sure to check out our video from the media event previewing all of the Boysenberry foods. First, we ask you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Helps us out immensely. Make sure you like that video. We'll put the thumbnail up right now so you know what it looks like. We'll also put a link to that video down in the description of this video. So for your chance to win, comment on that video, put berry stand, and then what item you're most excited to try that we showed you in the video when you get to the Boysenberry Festival. So again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and also like that media preview video, and then comment on that video with berry stand and what item you're most excited to try at the Boysenberry Festival. Make sure you do that before 11:59 p.m. on March 12th, and then we'll announce the winner opening day of the Boysenberry Festival down in the comments.